Okay, so guys, in today's video I'm gonna tell you that how to use Filmora professionally in your PC. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay guys, so here's the Filmora 11 in my PC. So as you can see, it's the latest version. So if I will show you this instant mode, which I like very much about this app. So once you will get there, as you can see, there are a couple of templates. So let's say if I select this one, if I click on this and I say use this template, it will take me to the screen. And now I'm going and dragging some files here. For example, I'm dragging this video and I'm dragging this audio here. So it will automatically synchronize it for me. As you can see here, it wants some more, like at least 5. So I'm gonna select this and then I'm gonna drag it there. You can see now I'm gonna say auto create. So it will take a few seconds, but it will create this thing for me, like as you can see now. So now as you can see, this is the outcome of that template. I have put it just some clips from my computer, and this is the output. Check it out. And it automatically added a music in here, automatically added a text and the templates and everything. Like it's the instant mode new in the Filmora 11, so I recommend it, highly recommend it. As you can see, it's like in a very different way. And this was just one template. You can see there are a lot of templates as well. As you can see, there are a lot of templates. So you can use these templates in your video as well. And if I show you the simple one, that how to edit professionally in a simple way, this is a very good way to edit a video in professionally way, and in a very less time. You just have to grab your clips and just put it in the timeline, and it will give you this outcome in few seconds. So now I will show you that how the simple one works. So as you can see, I'm back on this template here. So as you can see, this was the instant mode. Now I'm going to show you that how to create a project from the scratch. So you just have to click on the new project. You will be taken to this timeline here, and you have to just put some clips here. So I'm going to drag this one again here. So I'm going to drag it here. This is my timeline. So after that, if I want to put it here in my timeline, so I can easily click it or I can drag it like this. So this is my clip, and if I want to drag any audio here, so let's say I'm gonna drag this one here. So I'm gonna drag this one audio here, and I'm gonna synchronize it with it. Now I will show you that how it works. As you can see now, it's easily added. Like I can easily add transitions here. As you can see, there are a couple of options as well. And there are the options, like you have to just figure out. There are the motion track options and the speech to text, text to speech, and the filters and the split. And if I show you that the transitions, that if I want to put a transition on my video, so what I have to do, I have to just wait for a second here, and I can see a lot of transitions here. So let's say I'm gonna download first this one, and I'm gonna put this transition on my video. It's not downloaded, so I have to download it first. I have to just give it 2 minutes. So if I want to drag this one here, as you can see, it's giving me an option. So I just left here. Now as you can see, that what's the outcome here, okay?
Compliment your outfits.
As you can see in the video,
people rather than
see how cool it is. So here are the more effects. If I go to the effects section, I can easily put effects from here. And this is the RGB stroke. I'm gonna delete this one here, and I'm gonna put this RGB stroke just to show you that how it works. So if I go to this again, so as you can see,
compliment your outfits.
You can see it's like looking very good here. And we have a lot of templates here, and we have audios, we have media, we have elements, we have split screen. It's a very good option as well. You just have to like check it out. So we have a lot of things here, the audio and these things, and that's how you can easily edit your videos in a professionally way. But I recommend you that new function which I showed you at first. But if you want to use it, it's very easy as well. You just have to like give it a 10 to 20 minutes to figure out what option works for what. So I showed you all the things, that how it works and how it not. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this. Thank you so much.